Good morning, children. We have completed this chapter number 2, the inauspicious justice. I hope you understood the chapter and the story, and you already underlined the difficult words and wrote down the meanings. So, children, in this session, we are focusing on the reading. I will read the whole chapter, each line by line, and you have to repeat after me. Okay, children, you have to improve your reading and pronunciation of the words. So kindly volume up your video and carefully listen to each and every word of the line. So I'll start the chapter by reading the heading, that is the inauspicious justice. So some of you might feel difficulty in pronunciation of this word. It is inauspicious justice. The first line is, children, kindly repeat after me every line, okay? Before you read. Akbar, the Mughal ruler, was well known for his just rule. But sometimes he made mistakes, and that is when his witty and intelligent minister Birbal would step in. Children, repeat after me, okay? That is why I am giving pause after every line, so that you can read after me. Birbal was one of the 9 gems of Akbar's court, and though Akbar valued Birbal's advice, he would often put his intelligence to test. There are many such incidents. Given below is an abstract of one such incident. Children, if you feel like that I am reading too fast and you are not able to cope up with that, please you can pause the video and you can read and you can again resume the video. So children, you have to manage it. We are moving to the next paragraph. One morning, when Emperor Akbar was looking out of his window, he saw a hawker pushing his loaded cart. The hawker, on noticing the emperor, quickly bowed his head and then went on his way. Akbar did not pay any attention to him and proceeded for his daily bath. Coming to the second paragraph. On completing his bath, he unfortunately tripped and fell down. The word here is unfortunately, and this is tripped. If you feel like difficulty in pronouncing the words which are tough, repeat 5 times. Pronounce it 5 times the same word. In this way, you will be able to pronounce it easily. He was in great pain with a swollen ankle and had to be helped back to rest. He had to miss an important meeting with his courtiers. Children, when you are reading, kindly keep your finger on the word which you are reading, or you can also hold a pencil just like me, and you just put the pencil wherever you are reading. He decided to conduct his affairs from home and enjoy the company of his trusted courtier Birbal. However, unfortunately, Birbal had also decided to take that day off and hence could not be contacted. Children, coming to the next page, that is page 15, we are going to read the first paragraph on this page. Feeling dejected, Akbar asked for something to drink. Children, I am pausing after every line so that you can repeat after me. Kindly do so. However, before he could even take a sip, a fly fell into his juice. Thus, Akbar remained thirsty. Sometime later, Emperor Akbar got the news that his wife's brother had been hurt in an accident and that she had rushed to see him. Children, if you feel like I am going too fast, you may pause the video and read the same line, and then again you can resume it. As the day progressed, he felt quite lonely and nothing seemed to work right. Things came to a head in the evening when he quarreled with his wife and threw a tantrum at all his helpers. Tired and upset, he went to bed and wondered why he had had such a bad day. That's when he suddenly remembered seeing the hawker. He was soon convinced that the inauspicious face of the hawker had been the cause of all his trouble. The next day, he called for a meeting. He ordered his men to search for the hawker and sentenced him to death. The poor hawker, surprised and shocked at being sent to the gallows, begged for a meeting with Birbal before being hanged. Children, today we are going to do till here. Only 2 pages you have to read, and after the class gets over, you may please read these 2 pages again so that you can improve your reading skills. And in the next class we are going to do page 16 and 17th reading. So okay children, thank you for supporting and cooperation. Have a nice day.